guys, this is Naima and I'm going to create this no makeup look that is good enough for you to be on camera in just 6 steps. So there's nothing on my face right now, and the first thing I'm going to start with is concealing my dark circles and the marks that need to be concealed. Ideally, I would use a corrector and then a concealer, but if you just want to do a quick look to get on camera to either shoot your videos or for a Zoom call, I don't think the corrector is really required, and the concealer that I'm using is brilliant. I'm using the Maybelline Age Refined Eraser. You need to firstly identify the marks that need to be concealed. In my case, it's usually my dark circles and these little breakouts that I have here. Just on the areas that need it and not on the entire face. And this comes with a sponge, so the application becomes easier. I'm just going to blend it. So usually after I use this particular concealer, I don't use foundation on top of this. If you want, you can always use concealer and liquid foundation, but I'm going to completely skip the foundation step and move straight to setting powder. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix. This is just to set all the concealer that I have put, especially on my T-zone, because this is the area that we sweat the most. And since this is a very basic look, we don't need to go into really hardcore coverage. Moving on to blush to get those naturally rosy looking cheeks. Ideally, you should select a blush that's not too dark but something very light pink and day, just on the apples of your cheek. So that's it. This is just all you need to do for your base. Conceal, set and blush. Looking very natural and dewy. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to use like a coral shade that kind of just adds a pop of color where it literally looks like there is something but there actually is nothing. This is just to add that little warmth of color. I'm using the MAC Boyant Palette. That's it. This is literally just it. This is just to put in that pop of color so that it looks like there's something but actually nothing. This just gives a little definition to the eye. You can also top it up with some winged eyeliner or kajal if you prefer. I like to leave it like this, and I'm going to finish the eyes with just adding some mascara. I'm using the Too Faced mascara. And to finish the look, I'm just going to add a nude lipstick. I'm using the Velvet Teddy from MAC. It's that simple. So this also happens to be my daily makeup routine and I totally prefer it. So if I just want to get onto camera to just review a product or to just chat with the audience, I literally just do this. You can always, however, top it up with some liner like I mentioned. And you don't have to use the same products that I did. You can use what's in your kit, what works for you. I hope this video was helpful. Do follow me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves.